Hey y'all, welcome back. I am in Phoenix, Arizona. It is right now like 5:25 p.m. Temperature is 113 degrees. Just stepped out of my hotel room and my goodness, you can definitely feel the heat. Well, speaking of heat, what better way to stay inside than going and watching a baseball game? Yep, that's right, y'all. I am heading over to Chase Field where I have purchased tickets to watch the Diamondbacks, Arizona Diamondbacks versus the San Francisco Giants. So, game starts at 6:40. That's the first pitch. I'm walking over there now and I am ready to eat some food, y'all. So let's see how far, about $100 I'm thinking, can go with the food at Chase Field today. All right, y'all, come on, follow along. It's hot out here. All right. We got double headers over here where they serve some different food options. We'll take a look at that here in a little bit. Some other water options that they've got. You can always do your 50-50. Why not? While you're here, get your sports memorabilia as your hats and such. Support your local team. This is not my local team, but I don't mind coming to any baseball game. I love baseball. Don't worry about this music. It'll be okay. Our section is right across the world famous Churro Dog. Y'all, we're definitely going to try this today. This Churro Dog is hard to eat, I'm told, but I'm going to find a way how to do it. Well, I have found my seat, 128, row 30, number 1. And this is my view from my seat for the night. Not too shabby, is it? I got these tickets with using a government discount. With that discount, I got about $25 off, I think it was. So, kind of happy. Nice seats. Anyway, a lot better than the Texas Rangers, I tell you. It's like $600 more to sit there. So anyway, all right, this is the second doubleheaders that I have seen. Coming up to the Jefferson Street Deli, and then the Heroes coming up beside that. I told you if you want one, you got to get that early. Bat flip burgers. Some cactus corn. Fresh popcorn. It smells so good. Well, and when it comes to pizza, I have heard this is the worst pizza you could ever buy at a stadium. So we won't be doing that, but this is my second, I think, Cold Stones that I've seen. Don't know how many they have in here. I haven't looked at the map. More merchandise, which is always needed. Now, mind you, I'm on the sections of 100 right now. So you can get the cantina, some juice. I want a non-alcoholic. I don't know where to find it. All right, and this is the third doubleheaders that I have seen. I am walking, I find the fourth doubleheaders stand here. That's the fourth one that I have seen. We've got sheriffs are in town. All right, I'm wanting to see something specifically, and I don't find it yet. All right, y'all, so my first purchase inside the stadium is a Blue Moon. No, it is not alcoholic. This is a non-alcoholic Belgian white. So it has, I don't even know what the percentage is, but I'm told it's less than 5%, which makes non-alcoholic. Anything less than that is ideal, but I want to take my first sip. Oh my, okay. For you persons of older age than 21, this is good. I'm not gonna lie to you. I am a big beverage of my choice drinker, and if you follow this channel, you know that. But I have had to stop for reasons that we don't need to talk about. But one of those is to lose weight. But I still love the flavor of a beverage of my choice, and this one here is definitely gonna do it. Yo, I wanna check out the only red seat in the house, and I'm told it's at section 145, so we'll see. We're headed over there, come on. Alrighty, so my first purchase was $8.64 for this non-alcoholic Blue Moon. What's kind of cool is I am standing in front of the State Farm bobblehead that you can make. Let's see if I can get on there. You can make your own bobblehead. Kind of cool. There's a line waiting. So Jake from State Farm has one. Bobbleheads just for you. Not a sponsor. All right, y'all. So I have found the only red seat in the house. Seat number 12. So in the sea of green, they've got the only red seat in the house. One thing is pretty awesome. I just walked through here and listened, and I heard that the national anthem was going on. This stadium was silent. This area was dead. Nobody was moving. Everyone was being very patriotic here. Gives me goosebumps. I love it. Other stadiums I've been to, if you're not like physically watching the infield, then you don't do that. But here, they do it. That's pretty awesome. All right, I'm gonna order my first meal. Food, it's gonna be nachos, I thought, but no.
Right now, actually still, we're celebrating with Attendant.
All right, well, I got my first food option, which was Korean spicy wings. It also has some pickled cucumbers with it. Anyway, first one, if you have a Chase credit card of any sort, they also give you a discount using that. So, first taste. Oh, those were good. I was not anticipating having that today, but you can hear everyone so excited for me. Everyone's on their feet eating food because of me. Well, you can tell I liked them. Well, the roof is closed for tonight. It's 113 degrees outside. It was the high. It's 111 now. So we are at the bottom of the first. 0-0. Oh, this is pretty cool. What up? What up? All right. What up? All right. Well, if I'm going to plan to eat a lot here at the game, I need to hurry up because that first inning is over. Score 0-0. Those wings were a 10. I'm telling you, those were great. I'm not going to lie to you. The Taste of Chase is where I got them from. The price was great here at a stadium. I mean, less than $19. Plus, they gave me 7 of them, not 6, I got 7. So pluses to me, I like it. Oh, it's so tasty. But I need a hot dog. Can't come to a game without having a hot dog. Anyway, speaking about Taste of Chase, I went in there initially because I wanted to get the nachos, the Korean nachos. They didn't have it, but they had this Korean spicy wings, and I'm glad I got that. Anyway, I gotta find something else. We've got street corn, $7 for on a cup or a stick, and then Doritos. Oh, that corn smells so good. You can come and get empanadas at Yanakiki. They got empanadas, $16.99, mix and match the flavors, 2 of them per order. Yeah. Beef, chicken, pork, cheese, beef and hot dog, guava. Nice. All right, well, I had to stop and get me a bobblehead. So they take a picture and then you attach it to a bobblehead that you choose. I chose the superhero because, you know, that's what we are. We're superheroes in the sky. Anyway, so another thing I ended up getting was a Dole Whip pineapple. I can't wait for this. So good. But with that, because I was there, I did give myself a beverage of my choice as well. So I'm telling you, this Dole Whip, it was a decent price. I think it was $12, but at a park, not that bad. And I'm not talking like at an amusement park. I'm talking about a ballpark. So let's have a bite. Let's see how it fares up to the amusement parks, such as Disney World. Anyway, try it. I love pineapple. I love a Dole Whip. That was a big bite too. Anyway, y'all, so much more. I don't want to spend a ton of money, but I want to get a good meal in, you know, and I want to be full when I leave here. And at the Diamondbacks house, you can get some barbecue nacho helmet, loaded barbecue potato, and other things here. All right, well, my next is just a regular hot dog. Have you gone to a baseball game and not got a hot dog? You can't. You gotta have it. This is a Bar S, so most of the places sell it. So inside of the game is a mountainside fitness where people are working out while there's a baseball game going on. Okay, I'm totally confused. I guess this is part of the building, but not part of? Okay, I'm so confused. All right, whatever. That's the closest to the gym I've been to in a long time. Want some popcorn? Birthday cake popcorn? Wow. I'm looking at the menu and they've got a double header. You can get popcorn, nachos, Cracker Jacks combo, but you also get a value dog for $2.99. Let's figure out what that is. All right, y'all, so my night is almost over. There is one more thing I want to get, but prior to that, I just had to do it. I had to get a value dog. So the regular hot dog is $6.99, the value dog is $2.99, and I asked, what is the difference? They said that value dog is 2 ounces and a regular hot dog is 4 ounces. So the math isn't mathin', but I went ahead, I got one. It's burning up because they just got it out of there. Also, you know, I wanted another beverage of my choice. I'm enjoying the baseball game, so I needed another beverage to get the hot dog down. So I got another non-alcoholic beverage of my choice. Today it is now the Coors Edge. I've not had this before. I've never even heard about it. So I'm trying this for the first time. I mean, I can see where this would be really filling. It's got a flavor to it that's a little subtle, but it's also kind of a lot, like a Coors Banquet if you've had one of those before. Anyway, so far for the non-alcoholic beers or the beverages of my choice, they've got 3 of them. They've got the Blue Moon, they've got the Coors Edge, and then they also had the Michelob Ultra Zero. So non-alcoholic beers are still an option to have while you're enjoying a sports game. Anyway, y'all, I'm gonna have this. They say it's a 2-ounce hot dog. I will show you because I'm getting it undone now. It's still a Bar S. Honestly, I'm not seeing, okay, there's no way. I think she gave me the regular and I had the 2-ounce earlier. This is a value dog, y'all. So it's the size of my hand. I mean, well, not the biggest, but you see, it's a big dog. But for $2.99, if she didn't give me the right one, I lucked out. But anyway, I think everyone's cheering because this hot dog, hot dogs. One thing I noticed that they don't have a lot of is locations where you can actually eat your food without being in your seat. So my table, if you've ever been to amusement parks such as Disney, you know that the waste receptacles end up being like a table. And I'm doing the same thing in here. I've got my beverage sitting there, I got my camera in my hand, and I got a hot dog in my other hand. Now it's in my mouth. Arr. They're happy for me going to get the Churro Dog. Everyone's clapping for me because I've been waiting to do it. I'm finally going to do it. All right, y'all, so I got the Churro Dog. It's a lot. It's a lot. It's got ice cream with it, Hershey syrup, got some caramel syrup. It's a churro that is inside of a donut. So like, what would I say, $16.99? I don't know how I'm gonna do this. It's the bottom of the 7th right now. Thank goodness I got a couple more innings left and my hotel is not too far away because I'm definitely going to need to walk this off. Anyway, we're going to try to do this. The angle's kind of weird and I can't get into this churro. There it is. Got it. First bite. I'm leaned over. The Taste of Chase is closed. So I'm using that as a leverage area to put my camera. Okay. I can get this. Yeah. I can get why people like this a lot. But that was just a little bit of ice cream, the whipped cream, a little bit of Hershey, a little caramel. That was not the donut. You know what? I don't know how to eat this. How do you eat this? All right. You know what? It's put in here like a hot dog, so let's eat it like a hot dog. Why not, right? Why not? Oh, I know why not, because it's so heavy. You're picking everything up. Oh, this is so messy. Thank goodness the bathroom is like real. Oh. Okay, I can't pick it up. I can't. I'm trying. I can't. Okay. Oh. Do I have something on my face? Oh my gosh. How do you eat this? I guess I have enough. I'm good. Yes, if I need a napkin. That's so sweet. So sweet. I got some napkins. I don't know how to eat this thing. Oh well. Another bite. This is probably going in the trash. Oh. Y'all. I don't care if it's all over me. It's delicious. It's really good. All right. Well, that's it. I've had a lot of food here today. A lot. What's left behind this Churro Dog is a lot as well. I'm definitely going to walk this off back to my hotel. If you like this video and others like it, click that bell for future notifications. As glad it is we get to go to a lot of places. Look, I'm at a baseball game tonight during a layover. Anyway, so the total of everything I've eaten today is right here. Y'all, it was worth it. I could have eaten at a big restaurant tonight and had less food than I did tonight. I'm happy. I got some really good food. Anyway, we'll see you later, okay? Bye. Something on my hand? Yeah. This is the best way to eat it, just with a spoon. I said I was done. It's too good. I really don't want to throw this away. I don't want to. I think I have to. I can't keep eating it. Oh wait, there's still a churro in here. I kind of forgot about that with the donut and ice cream. Felt so long ago that I had that first bite. Oh my, I can't get it. I really am struggling to get this churro. There, we got it. I'm a mess. All over me. All over. How do two people eat this one thing? How do you share this mess? I just keep talking because it's so good. I don't want to throw it away. Okay, we're done. The Diamondbacks are up 3-2. 3-2. Oh my goodness, no later than I ordered, had a few bites, did they close it? Wow, I got in here right on time because we are currently at, I can't see, it's not showing, but I think we're at the bottom of the 7th? No, we're top of the 8th. So Churro Dog is closed. All right, y'all. So we are done for the night. It is the bottom of the 8th. Going to finish up just as tad, but for my video, done. I asked one of the sergeants with Maricopa County if a non-alcoholic beverage walking around here would be considered open container. Now, he misunderstood my question, and he did answer me, though, my next follow-up question, which would have been, can you take anything outside of here? And he said, even a bottle of water is considered open container, and you are not permitted to take anything out of outside of the stadium. But when it comes to the non-alcoholic beverages, he doesn't know if that'd be considered a if it would be considered an open container or not. He seemed like he was a little busy because he was just watching one of the replays on TV, and he didn't like the call that was given, so I got him at the wrong time. All right, we are now top of the ninth, last inning, and I am full. All right, so I'm just going to walk around, check out what's open, what's closed. I'm walking past the Chick-fil-A right now that's in here, and it is closed. We are now top of the ninth. Wetzel Pretzels, it is closed. The terrible pizza that I'm told is closed. I am fuller than a wood tick. I can't even think about food. But if you ever come here at the I don't know if it's the top of the eighth or the bottom or the middle of the eighth is when they start shutting things down. So, there's a couple things I wanted to get, but we're going to have to get it next time. But shutting it down.
If you've been injured in an accident, call Morgan & Morgan, America's largest injury law firm and proud partner of the Arizona Diamondbacks. With the Caesar Sportsbook app, you can bet while all Diamondbacks action is in full swing. Play your favorite haircuts, home run hitters, and more with safe game parlays. Or select from today's pre-built parlay with quick picks, plus every game,
Old Stone is open for the kiddos. Get them ice creams. Have a good night. Appreciate you again. I only had that one. I was wanting to get another and I forgot about it because I was having others. So I got to try everything. When do they start shutting down? Is it top of the eighth or middle of the eighth?
Bottom of the eighth.
Bottom of the eighth. Got it. Sweet. No. I'm fuller than a wood tick. I am so much. And I did ask the one of the sheriffs if you can walk around town with the non-alcoholics and if it would be considered open container. And he said he doesn't know, but you can't take anything out of the stadium. So I don't even have to worry about it. So good to go. Have a wonderful night.
You too.
Thanks.